Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can make money on Fiverr without actually needing any skills yourself or even fulfill any services. Have you noticed that over the past few years there's been an explosion in something called the gig economy? Now more than ever, I've seen people are turning to side hustles and gigs to make extra money on the side. I recently saw a report that these gigs or side hustles are projected to generate $445 billion next year. But what if you don't have any gigs of your own or any skills that you feel you can offer? Well, I have a backdoor strategy that's going to allow you to tap into this $445 billion industry without having any skills of your own or even fulfill any services yourself. It's all on today's training. But first, if you're new here, I want to welcome you to this channel. Our goal is to provide you with the best content to make money on the internet, especially if you're a beginner. And whenever someone asks me what's my favorite way to make money online, I always tell them affiliate marketing. Why? Because with affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products, services, or courses. You're simply promoting someone else's programs and collecting a commission every time someone makes a sale. It's the best method I know to make money online, no matter what your level of experience is. So I created this channel where I can release new strategies and give them to you absolutely free. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you'll be the first to know whenever a new strategy is live. So, part one. How we can make money without any skills. So how do we make money on Fiverr without any skills of our own to offer, or even setting up a profile on Fiverr? We're going to use a strategy called affiliate marketing. If this is a new concept to you, affiliate marketing lets you promote someone else's product or service while you get a commission on the sale. So let's say someone needs a new website. You don't have to be the one to build the website for them to make money. All you need to do is refer them to someone on Fiverr, and if they purchase that service, you'll get a commission without having to know a single line of code. So let's get into what Fiverr offers. There are actually a ton of affiliate programs you can find on Fiverr's website, from one-time payouts to recurring commissions. And because Fiverr offers so many different services, there's an endless amount you can promote, from graphic design, building a website, ghostwriting blog articles, dance lessons, health and fitness. There are so many services that you can make money promoting that help people grow their business or enrich their life. But here's how I would personally recommend using the strategy. Step one, choose your niche. It's important to pick a niche that services a problem a massive problem. Services that help people build their business, services that help people lose weight, services that help people make money, things like that. The bigger the problem is in someone's life, the more they are willing to pay for that problem to be fixed, which means the more money you'll make promoting that service. Step two, create a free gift that directs someone to your affiliate offer. Let's say you want to connect business owners with coders that can build their website. What you'll want to do is find, say, the 5 best coders on Fiverr at the best possible price. Then build out a list or a spreadsheet where your readers can find them. But use your affiliate links so that if they do end up going with one of these coders, you'll get a commission on that sale. You can give it an exciting headline like the top 10 creators to help you build a website for only $5, or whatever you're trying to help people discover. By the way, you'll need to do your homework here to make sure you find the best providers at the best price. Now, even though you can give this gift away for free, you want to ask for their email address in exchange. That way you can continue to send them additional offers and continue to make money. Okay, so you're probably thinking, all of this sounds great, but how do I get started? I know the feeling. You're wondering how you're going to build this free gift, how you'll collect email addresses, how you'll get people to even find you. Not to mention, what additional offers are you going to sell? Now, if you know all of the answers to those questions, that's awesome. You can take this strategy and get started right away. But if you're like me, when I was just getting started, you probably need some additional help in putting all of this together. That's why I've chosen to partner with someone who's already built a funnel like this and many more affiliate programs that allow you to make money online without creating a product or service of your own. If you click the link in the description below, you'll be taken to a special page where you can see how it all works and how you can get started for just a few dollars. Yes, I literally mean just a few dollars. Check it out in the link in my description below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll know when I release my next training. Then hit the like button and leave me a comment. Thanks. See you soon.